In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a project, organizing tasks, or just looking to keep things tidy, creating lists in ClickUp can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and get your list set up in no time. First, you'll want to navigate over to ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, go to the ClickUp login page. It's a straightforward process that'll have you in and ready to go in no time. Once you're on the page, you'll typically see a prompt to continue as your last signed in account. Clicking continue is ultimate. Here should fast track your login process without having to re-enter your credentials. This option is a real time saver, especially if you frequently access ClickUp. Next, you're prompted to click on your Google account if you have it linked. If not, there's always the manual login option available with your registered email and password. Linking your account can streamline your access and allow for better integration with other applications. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard area. Your home base is where all your project management magic begins. Now let's focus our attention on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll notice a panel with various options. Next to the Team Space heading, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up a menu with an option to add a new list. Give it a click. Here you're prompted to input a name for your list. Choose something that'll help you identify the purpose or content at a glance. Whether it's a to-do list, weekly goals, or content calendar, naming it appropriately will save you from confusion later on. Once you've decided on a name, it's key to add a brief description. While optional, a description can provide additional context and expectations for anyone who might access your list. You'll subsequently need to decide where you want to store your new list. ClickUp requires you to select a space or location. Spaces in ClickUp are like folders, designed to keep everything orderly. Selecting the right space ensures your list isn't floating around aimlessly. With everything set, click on the Create button. Voila! Your new list is now ready to use. Keep in mind that ClickUp may sometimes offer suggestions based on your list name or description, like templates or settings you might find handy. If such suggestions pop up, take a moment to consider them. If they're relevant and useful, hit Apply Suggestions to adopt them into your new list setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new list in ClickUp. Keep this process handy for any time you need to set up additional lists or organize your tasks further. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.